duct tape. Looks better already.
The stuff in the hallway again is stuck to the bottom of your shoes. You have to vacuum that hall a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, the problem when you get a carpet really vacuumed real well in a dirty apartment like this is if you walk on the hard floors, you get stuff stuck to the bottom of your shoes and it comes off on the carpet. So that's one of the reasons we actually prefer to do these after they've been house kept, because that way we're not tracking stuff back on the carpets continuously. And the housekeeper is going to track things on the carpet when he's doing his cleaning job. So we're going to end up having to re-vacuum this whole apartment.
Well, fortunately the housekeeper's in charge of vacuum, so
Hopefully he'll get it.
if we come to do it, it'll be for an extra charge. So I hope we do. Always make money on everything you do. Don't do free work.
Well, keep in mind, if you clean a carpet and you make it look perfect, and other people come along and do more work on your carpet, you make your carpets look shabby, and people are just going to think you didn't clean the carpets very good. When in reality, someone else messed them up. So you always want to try to be able to have a chance to re-inspect your work after other people have finished, just to make sure they didn't tear your work up. That's another reason to take video.
In houses it don't matter, but in apartments it all matters.
Yeah, at least, and make sure you take pictures or video, at least showing the final results, so you can show what it looked like when you completely finished. That way you have some sort of proof. And if you want to be proof, show the apartment number on the outside of the doorway or something like that to prove what apartment you're in. That way you can prove you cleaned it.
Yeah, it's hard to argue with all that.
Because if someone comes in and tears up your work, then they're just going to say you didn't do a good job and try to get you to redo it for free. You got to be careful. Don't forget the hallway.
Yeah.
Now, I've never had the Dyson. The Dyson, we've never had it clog up on the picking up off the floor setting, but I have clogged the hose before picking up piles of stuff. But so far, we've never had it clog inside the system. So it can pick up a pretty decent amount, but with any vacuum, if you overload it, you can get a major clog, which on the DC25, you don't want to have to take that thing apart. Yeah, there's an ear ring.
Well, I'm not installing any other vacuums, but we've used
Bring that out here.
We've used pistols and other stuff, and they clog up every single room you got.
You know, hold it up in the air. Hold it up in the air before you take the bin off, and I want to see what the brush bar looks like.
It'll work. For
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it again.
We'll get another room.
And then we're gonna show the. Let me show this. We're gonna have to empty everything out again before we do our last room.
No, I think we can do it. It'll pick up one more room, and then we can dump that out with the brush bar can wait. No, we'll empty it out. The brush bar will be safe.
It's not to the max level, but the next room's pretty dirty, so.
Yeah, so let's dump this out
go ahead
and
and
finish,
empty
and then
it.
we can do the brush bar before we go to our next job.
Let's see here, because this next room,
It still has stuff in it.
this next room's pretty dirty, as you can see. And we actually,